This is Rockwell hardness testing machine. The objective here is to determine the Rockwell hardness number of the material. So in this testing, initially a minor load will be applied and later on a major load will be applied, and the hardness number will be calculated for different materials. So there is a scale for this Rockwell hardness testing machine. So in our case, the indent used is a diamond one. So see this one. So this is a diamond indent which will be used to make indents on the materials. The material will be kept over here and a load can be applied here at this point. So we can apply 60 kg load here, the total load 60 kg along with the minor load, and we can also apply 100 kg load here. And similarly, so this knob can be rotated like this. So this is 100 kg. Similarly, we can also apply 150 kg load. So different loads can be applied. So this depends upon the hardness of the material that is to be tested. Different scales are used for this test. So as you can see in the table, for diamond indenter, so we have A, D and C scales. So if we apply total force of 60 kg, so that scale is A, and then if we can apply a force of 100 kg, so that scale is D. So in our test, we will be using the D scale. So we will be applying a 100 kg force. So this is our specimen. Let us put it on the anvil and gradually rotate this knob to apply preload of 10 kg force. And a reading of 360 here corresponds to a load of 10 kg force. So gradually we will increase the preload to 10 kg force. So the corresponding reading is 360 here. So this constant indicator ensures that a 10 kg force is being applied. So let us tap the start button here to start the test. So a hardness number of value 84.6 we have got from this experiment. So this is our specimen. So let us put it on the anvil and follow the same procedure. Initially let us apply preload of 10 kg force. So a preload is applied here. A 360 reading will ensure a preload of 10 kg force. .360. So then tap the start button. So we have got the hardness number as 61.4. So this is the specimen. Follow the same procedure. Let us put the specimen on the anvil and gradually rotate this knob to apply a preload of 10 kg force, which corresponds to a reading of 360 here. So 360, and let us start the test. So a hardness number of 59.2. So this is the specimen. So let us put it on the anvil and follow the same procedure. Initially apply preload of 10 kg force, that corresponds to a reading of 360 here. So let us start the test. And a hardness number of 24.6.